and we're off. Let's see, Tesla's making a move down. AMD. It's So with Tesla's gap, I'm going to probably wait for a 2-minute close of the candle. 5-minute chart. But it is definitely close to the 200 on there. Heading towards one thing I do like about AMD is that on the day it really ran up pretty far away from the moving averages, gapped up, and then put like a topping tail. So I believe a short is in order for AMD. I don't want to go too heavy. So far it's a 4-minute or $4 2-minute bar. So I'm just gonna have to take a small chunk here, and we're going. I went ahead and went short because the body got past this little wick. This little Nvidia is in good shape to go long. I'm gonna get 25 shares. I'm a little late on that one. And I think I am going to for Nvidia stop, I'll have a mental stop down there. I'll have to have a mental stop right above this bar in AMD. Okay, we got almost 30 cents. We're gonna hit a point right there shortly. I'm gonna take first profit take in about 10 more cents on Nvidia if we make it there. I'm gonna get 3 pushes out of AMD. I think there's room for that. What I mean by that is I'm gonna wait for a third candlestick. Nope. I'm not liking this with Nvidia. However, another thing I like to do is if there is a red, like if this goes past, I'm going to get another lot. Or I'm sorry, I'm going to add 10 shares to Nvidia. And then my new stop I'm gonna have to adjust it up a little bit. So if we get near the top of this wick, I'm gonna take some profit just in case we shoot back down. And take some profit on Nvidia. We're about halfway up that wick. I've been burned before with topping tails on the second bar. more. If we get past the wick, I think we're pretty good. AMD's trying to. Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice on Nvidia. AMD. So if this color change, this green bar gets taken out, I'll go ahead and do an add. And that's a nice solid green bar. I'm going to hold on to this. Come on, AMD. I don't want to have to fire you today. Nvidia. There we go. I'm gonna take profit. Well, maybe not. Let me see. Zoom out a little. Let's check the 5 minutes. Looks like we have room up to here. That'll be where I take some profit. Oh, here we go. There's Nvidia. I'm sorry, AMD heading down. A couple topping tails that formed, and I'm gonna wait till the full green bar is passed. What's the 5 minute looking like over here? 5 minute bar. Got a crash in those. Nvidia. I don't like that topping tail on Nvidia. But looks like it might have been a fake out. You know, I expected AMD to probably push a little faster. Oh, here we go. Oh, Nvidia is still. Remember, I already took partial profits with Nvidia. And the high of the day before was around 189.60. I thought we'd get closer. I'm gonna have to jump out of Nvidia. I hit around break even, and it looks. Come on, why is this moving slow? AMD. I'm gonna add 10 shares, and I gotta get out of. Come on, we're moving slow. I gotta get out of this. I'm gonna get out of. Come on, give me another push down with AMD. This came pretty far back, but it is in support. I'm just gonna wait. If this hits break even, let's go AMD. Go, give me another big, nice elephant bar. Things are moving a little slow today. It is Monday. I'm gonna get out of AMD half of this. I don't like how slow she's moving. Just get out half right now in case she snaps back. It looks like she's coming back. course, it looks like I'm gonna have to get out of Nvidia. I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully I don't hit break even, but I'm still about 20 cents ahead. And I can always re-enter if she's starts trending up, but it looks like we're getting a pop back up with Nvidia. Oh, nice. Could be an ad opportunity right here. Another color change. I think I will do that. And then looks like AMD. I'm gonna have to get out. Come on. I need to get out. Need to get out. Ah, break even. I don't want to get out. I wanted to get out 20 cents ago with AMD. And so again, I added past this color change. We had a top bottom tail. This is support down here. The only trade I got going right now is Nvidia. Oh, Palantir looks like a little nice. Let's see how far we could potentially go with. Oh, that's right, the 189.60 would be the high a day. If we can get past this 5-minute bar high, I think we'll be in good shape. Looks like I should have stayed in with AMD, but AMD can move fast and big, and so far Nvidia looks a little cleaner, so I'd rather just stick with Nvidia. Look at that, we're about 80 or 70 some cents. Let's go. And I have the 8-period moving average on here, so we can kind of follow that up. I don't want to give up 70 cents actually, so I'm going to go ahead and take partial profit, sell. What's the spread? Not too bad. I know professionals like to use limit orders, but I'm still figuring all this out. A new high, as soon as it breaks 189.06, I'm gonna go for like a daily new high profit take for today. There we go. Take it. See how it's shooting back down, and I don't think I got it in. 89. It didn't get filled. I lost 10 cents on that fill or so. Alright, let's go. Now my stop is going to be mentally, I'm getting out at break even. And I most likely won't do. I like how Palantir is trickling up, but it's just not booming. Tesla would have been a nice short. Let's see what we get here. Our 15-minute mark. Is she gonna reverse on us? just going to stay in this one until I either hit break even or that's the 15-minute mark. I think what I'll do is I will set and stop order. I don't like doing this all the time because sometimes they trigger a couple cents early. I'm going to set this at 10 shares, do a break even price. What's that? 188.27. And then I can go look for another stock here 15 minutes in. Some traders like to wait 15 minutes before even entering their first trade, so it looks like we're coming down. I'm gonna get hit over here at Nvidia maybe. Let's see if the 8 will hold. Oh, there goes Palantir off of a color change. Where are we at on the 5? We're coming up pretty good. Could have room to 172. Yep, it looks like my stop got hit. That's alright, that's alright. Gotta let a portion ride once you take profits. Let's see, let's go back to the 15. 15's in a... I'm not sure I like that the price is below the 200 on the 15. She still may go up, but I think I'm going to hold off. And that's a nice... And I think I'm going to call it a day. That's my couple trades. Let me see. Let's put this back on the 2-minute. And this is just what reality is when you're trying to trade. You're watching a couple stocks, and there goes AMD. Looks like I could have stayed in it a little longer. We'll have to revisit some of my decisions on that one because it definitely left money on the table. It looks like I'm for a not super fast moving day. I am going to be done for the day. Alright, thank you and hope all this helped. And just to another quick disclaimer, this isn't financial advice whatsoever, just for entertainment and hope to help all the newcomer traders out there. Alright, thank you.